Inferential statistics is a branch of statistics that allows us to make predictions and generalizations about a larger population based on data collected from a sample. Since it is often impractical or impossible to collect information from every member of a population, we rely on samples, smaller, manageable subsets, to draw conclusions. The process begins with collecting data from a representative sample. Once the data is gathered, we use statistical methods to analyze it and estimate population parameters, such as the mean or proportion. Inferential statistics employs tools like confidence intervals and hypothesis tests to quantify the uncertainty associated with these estimates. A confidence interval provides a range of values within which the true population parameter is likely to fall given a certain level of confidence, for example, 95%. This helps us understand the precision of our estimate and the degree of uncertainty involved. Hypothesis testing is another key tool. Here, we start with an assumption, the null hypothesis, about the population and use our sample data to test whether there is enough evidence to reject that assumption in favor of an alternative hypothesis. For instance, we might test whether a new medication is more effective than the current standard by comparing outcomes in two groups. By using these methods, inferential statistics enables us to make informed predictions and generalizations about populations, even when direct measurement is not feasible. However, the accuracy of these inferences depends on factors such as sample size, sampling method, and variability in the data. Properly conducted, inferential statistics is a powerful tool for turning sample information into broader insights and actionable conclusions.